Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Merisa Putri Andini and I'm from English Education Study Program, and in this video I will answer 4 questions in order to qualify for the final examination. So for the first question is, what is definition of homograph? In that case, give the example of homograph that commonly used in real life. Okay, so from my understanding, homograph comes from the word homo, which means the same, and graph, which means writing. So from the combination of the two words, homograph is a word that has the same writing, but the pronunciation and meaning are different. An example of this homograph is as follows. The first is to, it means is ke, and then to, which means is juga, and the last to, which means is dua. For the example of this word are the first for the word to. For example, Karin is going to Labuan Bajo in the next week. And then for the word to, for the example is good night to Sabian. And the last word is to. For the example of to is I want to buy 2 bowls of meatballs. And the second question is, what are different between adjective, verb, adverb, and noun? And then give the example of adjective, verb, adverb, and noun and the sentence. Okay, I will answer the second question, and the first is the difference between noun. Nouns are clearly different from the adjective, verb, and adverb because nouns are nouns which function as subject and object in a sentence. An example is Saddam buys a novel at a Gramedia, and then its adjective. Now, this adjective serves to describe or emphasize noun. For example, the sentence is Saddam bought a very interesting novel to read, and then is verb. Well, this verb is a word that refers to an activity and work. For the example sentence is Saddam is reading the novel he just bought, and the last is adverb. So this adverb is a word that serves to describe a situation or activity. The example of this sentence is Dara is going to Japan in the next year. Okay, the next question is number 3. Explain by your language what is a simile, and then give the example of dialogue. Okay, I will answer the question number 3. So, simile is direct comparison between two ideas using words like or, as, and the example of dialogue is, Hi Anes, why do you look so sad today? I'm worried about my future. What are you worried about? The last few days, I've had a lot of problems in my life. It's a common thing. You should be able to face it. I believe your future is as bright as the sunlight. Okay, and the last question is, what is proverb? Based on your answer, explain what kind of proverb that you are going to use your class if you are become English teacher. Okay, I will answer this question. So, what I know about this proverb is a short word that contains meaning and aims to educate through words. If I were to become a teacher, the proverb I would give to my student would be signs of rice, which means be like rice that contains more and more bowls. Now, the meaning that we can take from these rice signs is the importance of a humble attitude that always makes us want to learn and keep wanting to know new things, and also not to be arrogant for our achievement we get. Okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.